7 steps to start investing for beginners. Introduction: Why investment matters. Investment is one of the most effective ways to grow wealth, achieve financial security, and build a stable future. Whether you're saving for retirement, planning for a major life goal, or simply looking to increase your income, investing can be a powerful tool to make your money work for you. However, for beginners, the world of investment can often seem overwhelming and complex. With so many options, risks, and strategies to choose from, knowing where to start is crucial. This comprehensive guide will break down the essential concepts of investing, offering clear, step-by-step instructions to help beginners make informed decisions. By the end of this article, you'll understand the basics of investment, different types of investment options, and how to create a plan that aligns with your financial goals. What is investment? Investment is the process of using your money to purchase assets or financial instruments with the expectation of generating a profit or income over time. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a bank account, investing allows you to put your money into various financial products that have the potential to increase in value. The primary goal of investment is to grow your wealth and achieve financial independence through long-term planning and smart decision-making. Why should you invest? Many people wonder why they should invest when they can simply save their money in a bank account. While saving is important, investing provides greater opportunities to A. Build long-term wealth. A. Beat inflation. A. Generate passive income. A. Prepare for retirement. A. Achieve financial goals faster. Without investing, your money loses value over time due to inflation. Investing helps your money grow and protects your purchasing power. 7 steps to start investing for beginners. 1. Set your financial goals. Before you start investing, it's essential to define your financial goals. What are you investing for? Your goals will determine the type of investments you choose and how long you'll need to keep your money invested. Common financial goals include A. Saving for retirement. A. Building an emergency fund. A. Buying a home. A. Funding education. A. Growing wealth for the future. How to set goals. A. Identify your short-term, 1 to 3 years, medium-term, 3 to 5 years, and long-term, 5+ years, goals. A. Estimate how much money you need to achieve each goal. A. Set a timeline for each goal. 2. Understand risk and return. Every investment involves some level of risk, and understanding how risk works is essential for making informed decisions. Generally, higher-risk investments offer higher potential returns, while lower-risk investments offer more stability but lower returns. Types of risk. A. Market risk, the possibility of losing money due to market fluctuations. A. Inflation risk, the risk that inflation will reduce the purchasing power of your returns. A. Liquidity risk, the risk of not being able to sell an investment quickly without losing value. Tip for beginners: start with low-risk investments and gradually increase your risk tolerance as you gain more knowledge and experience. 3. Choose the right investment options. There are several types of investment options available for beginners. Here's an overview of the most common ones. A. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder and can earn profits through dividends or capital appreciation. A. Risk level, high. A. Potential return, high. A. Best for long-term growth. B. Bonds. Bonds are loans made to companies or governments in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. A. Risk level, low to medium. A. Potential return, moderate. A. Best for income generation and capital preservation. C. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They are managed by professional fund managers. A. Risk level, medium. A. Potential return, moderate. A. Best for beginners who want diversification without managing investments directly. D. Real estate. Investing in properties can generate income through rent and appreciation in property value. A. Risk level, medium to high. A. Potential return, high. A. Best for long-term wealth building. E. Fixed deposits and savings accounts. These are low-risk investment options offered by banks, providing a fixed interest rate over a specific period. A risk level, low. Potential return, low. A best for emergency funds and short-term savings. 4. Build an investment plan. Once you know your goals and investment options, it's time to create an investment plan. Your plan should outline A. How much money you will invest. A. How often you will invest, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. A. Which investment options you will choose. A. Your risk tolerance level. A. Your investment timeline. Tip for beginners: start small and increase your investments gradually as you gain confidence. 5. Diversify your investments. Diversification is the practice of spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. If one investment performs poorly, others may perform well and balance out your losses. How to diversify? Invest in different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate. Choose investments from different industries. Invest in both domestic and international markets. 6. Monitor and adjust your investments. Investing is not a one-time activity. You need to monitor your investments regularly and make adjustments based on market conditions, financial goals, and personal circumstances. What to monitor? Performance of your investments. Market trends. Changes in your financial goals. 7. Be patient and consistent. Building wealth through investing takes time. The most successful investors are those who stay patient, invest consistently, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Common mistakes beginners should avoid. Investing without clear goals. Putting all money in one investment. Trying to time the market. Following investment trends without proper research. Ignoring fees and charges. Best investment platforms for beginners. Robinhood. Trade. Vanguard. Wealthsimple. Acorns. Conclusion: start your investment journey today. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to secure your financial future and achieve your long-term goals. While the process may seem intimidating at first, following the right steps will help you build confidence and grow your wealth over time. By setting clear financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and choosing the right investment options, you can start creating a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, the key to successful investing is not about how much money you start with, it's about consistency, patience, and continuous learning. Start small, stay disciplined, and let your money work for you. The earlier you begin your investment journey, the greater your chances of achieving financial freedom. Now is the perfect time to take the first step. Invest in your future today.